Ford Fusion today. Dent in the rear door, and then a tiny little one right here as well, a little further back. So a couple just door dings. She just wanted to get it cleaned up today. Pretty straightforward stuff. I will give you guys an after video. Okay, just finished up the Fusion door, access to the window. You see my other videos. This is a very common way that I fix dents, and got the white mark off of the car too from the paint transferred from the other car, but and that little guy too. So pretty straightforward dent repair stuff we do every day. All right, thank you for watching.